is today we're just gonna give you a little bit of a tour in the house, or maybe not. Wala. Let's get something. So excited. Hello, Mama. Kakagising mo pa lang? Mama?
Ha?
Kakagising mo pa?
Oo.
Malinis. Yummy. I'm just gonna do a little mukbang since I made a video here and I set it up here. It's dripping. From the last video, I'm gonna make a mukbang. How's it dripping? Last time I finished this, I finished the rice. It's like exactly 3 minutes. And I do not know. Maybe because I'm biting hard. Wow, my teeth.
Number 1 fan!
Wait, I need to cut when I'm on this part. Sorry, Anne already this. So let's finish it. Huh?
Where did you buy it?
Di ba kaninang Paul? Yung yung plastic. Si Mama Bing. Sorry for that. That is cold. Very cold.
Ito lang talaga eh. Maraming nga yun. Ano pala yun? Makakasalan yun eh. Ay, yun, dati pa. Hindi na alam pa. Pero tanong, kilit pa rin natin.
Extreme yung boy, exit. Ay, paano ka dyan, no? Letter B.
Slide yung pagkanon. AMG slide.
We're done. Wait. Let's throw it away. What is that? What is that? I know my hands are like very skinny, but my face. What is that? Okay. Bye, Elvis.